Welcome, seekers of inner peace. Are you ready to embark on a transformative journey towards tranquility and serenity? Look no further. I invite you to subscribe to my meditation channel, where I will guide you towards the depths of your own mind, helping you unlock the power of meditation. Imagine a world where stress and anxiety melt away, leaving only a sense of calm and clarity. A world where you can find solace in the midst of chaos and cultivate a peaceful state of being. That world is within your reach, and my meditation channel will be your trusted companion on this enlightening path. Through a variety of guided meditations, breathing techniques, and visualization exercises, I will help you dive deep into your inner world, where you'll discover a wellspring of peace, wisdom, and self-discovery. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced meditator, there is something for everyone on my channel. Close your eyes and imagine gentle waves of relaxation washing over you, soothing your mind and body. Unlock the power of mindfulness and let your worries drift away. Connect with your breath and feel the present moment fill you with tranquility. Join a community of like-minded individuals who are dedicated to embracing mindfulness and inner peace. Share your journey, learn from others, and be supported on your path towards self-transformation. So, why wait? Subscribe to my meditation channel now and start experiencing the transformative power of meditation. You deserve the peace and serenity that await you. Let's embark on this journey together. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to hit that subscribe button and join our community of seekers. Together, we will find the inner peace we are all searching for.